From WFTV, this is Channel 9 Eyewitness News at 5. Coverage you can count on.
Covering your money tonight, attorneys told Channel 9 the same banks that took government bailout money are now turning their backs on families. The families have been fighting to get their loans modified so they don't go into foreclosure. But they told Channel 9's Liz Arch their bank stopped working with them. Liz, this is happening to hundreds of thousands of people across the country.
Yes, and this family is just one of them. They moved here because they love the neighborhood, they love their house, they love the schools, but they are scared that this Christmas will be the last one spent in this house. Daniel and Denise Grebey moved into their Ocoee home in 2006 with their 2 children.
This wasn't an investment home. This was our house that we didn't plan on leaving. But
his hours were cut at work. She lost her take-home car and their mortgage jumped $500. The couple called their lender and qualified for the Home Affordable Modification Program. They say they met several criteria and thought they'd get their mortgage modified and reduced. That never happened.
Your modification should have been done. Our management is going to contact you.
Grebey says no one ever called back, and now Nation Star Mortgage is foreclosing on them.
If this particular lender thinks that they have the option of backing out of the program, they're not right.
Attorney Matt Inglet has 25 clients right now that qualified for HAMP, completed the trial process, and never got a modification. He says banks got bailout money and are not motivated to work with families, and numbers nationwide seem to back that up. J.P. Morgan Chase & Company qualified 143,000 people. Only 4,000 got permanent modifications. Wells Fargo qualified 104,000. 3,000 became permanent. Bank of America qualified 158,000 people. Only 98 became permanent. And Citigroup qualified 103,000, making only 271 permanent. Inglet says we might be seeing numbers like that because HAMP is not as lucrative for loan servicing companies as foreclosures. For this family, that simply isn't an option.
They would have to send the sheriff to remove us.
And Nation Star Mortgage told us late this afternoon that it cannot comment on an open case. Inglet says that his firm is considering a class action lawsuit for other people in Grebey's same situation. Live in Ocoee, Liz Arch, Channel 9 Eyewitness News.
New numbers show foreclosures across the state are on the rise again. Florida